Hello my dear students, today we will learn a different method of factorization. In previous class we have seen factor method, that is if p of x is any polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 2 and if x minus a is a linear polynomial where a is a real value, then if p of a is equal to 0, then we say that x minus a is a factor of p of x, or if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then we say that p of a is 0. It means in that factor theorem we are finding remainder. P of a means remainder. If remainder is 0, then divisor is a factor of dividend. Okay, so on that basis we conclude whether it is a factor or not. Now there is another method also, that is called long division method. Long division method. Long division method. Okay. So in factor theorem, no need to divide given polynomial by another polynomial, but here we will actually divide the given polynomial by another polynomial. So let us take an example. Divide 3x square plus x, 3x square plus x, suppose, minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, let us divide this. So first of all, you should remember that the given polynomial p of x, this should be in descending order of the power of the variable. It is 3x square, power is 2, here it is 1, here it is x plus c, that is 0, no problem. So let us divide. So using long division method, 3x square plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So first of all, you divide this first term by this first term. So that is divide 3x square by this x. It means 3x square means 3 into x divided by this x. You get x cancel. You are getting here 3x only. So it is 3x. 3x into x, that is 3x square. 3x into 1 plus 3x. Now change the sign. You have to subtract this from this. So change the sign. If it is plus, you make it as minus. If it is minus, you make it as plus. So this 3x square minus 3x square will get cancelled. Plus 1x minus 3x plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2x. Then take this minus 1. So again divide this minus 2x first term by this first term, that is minus 2x upon x. So it gives me minus 2 only. So write minus 2. That is minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 1, minus 2, change the sign. So this will cancel, and here you are getting plus 1. So I can write here this dividend 3x square plus x minus 1 equals to, divisor is x plus 1 into quotient is 3x minus 2 and remainder is plus 1. As this remainder is not 0, therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of this 3x square plus x minus 1. As the remainder is not 0, therefore this x plus 1 is not a factor of this 3x square plus x and minus 1. So in this way, by using the long division method, we can check whether this divisor is a factor of this dividend or not. Okay, take another example. Let us take another example. Okay, divide 3x raised to the power 4, 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by you divide this polynomial by x minus 1. X minus 1 I am dividing this. Okay, now let us divide this. So first of all you check whether it is in descending order of power. X raised to the power 4 is there, x ka power 3, x square term is not there. So right here p of x, this polynomial in this, and 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube, x square term is not there, so I can add this 0 into x square, no problem, it will be 0. Then minus 3x minus 1. Okay, and I have to divide with this x minus 1. So right here, therefore 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 0x square minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. I am dividing with this x minus 1. So, okay, you divide the first term by this first term, that is 3x raised to the power 4 upon x, means 3 into x into x into x into x, 3x raised to the power 4 upon x, this one x cancel, so it gives me 3x cube. So 3x cube, 3x cube into x, 3x raised to the power 4, 3x cube into minus 1, that is minus 3x cube. Change the sign. So plus 3x raised to the power 4 and minus 3x raised to the power 4 we can cancel. Then minus 4x cube and this plus 3x cube, minus 4 and plus 3, that is minus 1, so minus x cube. Then take another term, 0x square. Okay. Again you divide minus x cube divided first term, that is x, minus x cube minus x into x divided by x, then x will get cancelled, so minus x square, so that is minus x square. Minus x square into x, minus x cube, minus x square into minus 1 plus x square. Change the sign. So minus x cube plus x cube will get cancelled, plus 0x square, no problem. This is minus x square, then term, take this minus 3x, again minus x square divided by x, minus x cube minus x into x divided by x, x will get cancelled, minus x, so minus x into this x, minus x square, minus x into minus 1 plus x, change the sign, minus x square plus x square will get cancelled, minus 3x and minus x, that is minus 1x, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x, then take this minus 1, then minus 4x upon x, x will get cancelled, minus 4 minus 4 into x, that is minus 4x, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 plus 4, minus 4 plus, sorry, yes, plus 4, to change the sign, so plus, this will be minus, so this will cancel, this will be minus 5. So here the remainder is minus 5. So I can write here as remainder is not 0. Or I can write here that is 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x, this minus 1 equal to divisor x minus 1 into quotient 3x cube minus x square minus x minus 4 and plus remainder is this plus is minus 5, this is the remainder. Remainder is not 0, as the remainder is not 0, therefore this x minus 1 is not a factor of this 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x and minus 1. So it is not a factor. So with the help of this long division method also we can check whether it is a factor or not. So one last example, to take divide x raised to the power 4 x raised to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, we divide this by x minus 1. Again you check whether the power of the variable x in p of x are in descending order or not. So here power is 4, 3, 2, then 1. Okay, no problem. It is already in descending order, the power of the variable. So we can just divide now. So using long division method, x raised to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, I am dividing this. So again you divide this first term x raised to the power 4 divided by x, that is x into x into x into x divided by x. 1 x will get cancelled, x cube into x raised to the power 4. Okay, then x cube into minus 1, that is minus x cube. Change the sign, this will cancel, plus 1x cube and plus 1x cube, it will be 2x cube. Okay, so it will be 2x cube. Then take minus 2x square, then 2x cube, this first term divided by x. 2x cube is 2 into x into x into x divided by this x. 1x will get cancelled, 3x square plus 2x square. 2x square into x, 2x cube, then 2x square into minus 1, that is minus 2x square. Change the sign. Okay, this will cancel, minus 2x square and plus 2x square, that will also cancel, 0. Then you take this remaining x plus 1, then divide x divided by 1, x divided by x gives me 1, so that is plus 1 into x, that is x, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So change the sign, again plus x minus x cancel, plus 1, that is 2. So here the remainder is 2. Therefore again here also we can say that x minus 1 is not a factor of this. We can write this here. This x raised to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into quotient is x cube plus 2x square plus 1 and remainder is plus 2. So as the remainder is not 0, therefore this divisor x minus 1 is not a factor of this x raised to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so in this way we can divide the given polynomial by another polynomial using long division method. So you try another examples also. Okay, all the best.